Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to SpaghettiNoob.
Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. Just a quick video today. Just want to do a brief recap on the HJC RPHA 70 Street Ironman helmet. Link up top. So that helmet, as awesome as it looked, it suffered the same fate as the RPHA 11 Pro. So when I first wore it, it felt fine. My helmet size measures right between an extra small and a small. Although I did not try an extra small. I mean, there was no need because a small was already too small. It wasn't really small. It was just I felt pressure after wearing the helmet inside my house for probably about after 10-15 minutes. I felt pressure in the top back of my head. So, and when I took the helmet off, you can feel it, I don't know what it's called, like the pulse throbbing. There we go. It was throbbing. So yeah, that helmet was too small. I was very disappointed because I really wanted it to work. I missed the Venom helmet, and the Venom helmet, the same thing happened, except it was a lot worse, a lot faster. So the 70 Street was a little bit better, but it still wasn't no-go. I also went to the place I purchased it from, and I tried to go up to a medium, and the guy even called their sales rep and see if they can switch up to bigger cheek pads to see if the medium would work, and we were on the route to do that. But then I kind of asked a question. I was like, so is there a way we can determine if, like, because medium didn't bother me at all whatsoever, but I asked, is there a way to determine if the medium was going to, you know, be safe and be kind of like snug even with the bigger cheek pads? Because it was, you know, I was able to, you know, move the helmet like pretty well. So then he had me do, you know, this little test where you take, you know, the back of your palm and push the back of your helmet forward, and then you take your other hand and see how many fingers you can put through, touching through your forehead, touching your forehead. And I was able to put like my whole hand in there. So the medium was definitely a no-go. My size is definitely a small, and even with the big cheek pads, it wouldn't have been safe. So I had to unfortunately return that one. And what kind of sucked is that gold visor you saw me put on. Because I put that gold visor on, I was unable to return it. And it's a good thing that I didn't take the sticker off the clear visor, because I wouldn't have been able to return the helmet if I'd taken that sticker off. So, you know, that was like whatever, $44, $45, whatever, and some tax. So hopefully I can flip that around and sell it quickly here. It's brand new, never been worn, never been ridden in. But I don't really mind too much, because the place where I got it from, and this is probably another video, but they've been really good to me in the past, so I might do another video on them entirely. But yeah, I had to return the helmet, and it was very sad that I had to return it, but it didn't fit. It was squeezing my brain. I felt it squeeze my brain, and I was just throbbing, and then I had a headache. So this is just by wearing it inside the house. I didn't ride in it, because, you know, you're not supposed to. So I returned the helmet, and it's gone. So now my search is on to look for another helmet. So we'll see what happens with that. really nice helmet graphic too. They're all stopping. Not gonna be able to get away. Maybe far left. So people were asking about helmet shapes. You know, they have, you know, oval, long oval, intermediate oval, and then round. And I don't have no idea where my head fits in any of that. All I know is that awesome helmet graphic. Now I have to resort to my original idea of getting that airbrushed. Silly Challenger. I thought it was this, whatever this other four-banger was. I think that's a Civic maybe, I don't know. Is it a Civic? Yeah, Civic. New Civic wagon, I think. Or, no. Is it a wagon? I forget what it's called when it's not a wagon, but it has that back. These guys. You wanna go? Oh, you're on the phone. You're not gonna go anymore. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk to you guys about. Just that I had to return it. And you won't be seeing that. You won't be seeing, you know, ride and review style. Although I really wanted to. So I might look into other helmets. And the guy, I probably should just get a visor and just call it done. Because this happens like every year when I try to get a helmet. I just have the weirdest luck. But I was like, so what helmet is, you know, on par with this one? And obviously he goes to, you know, the Shoei and the Arai, which are, you know, top tier helmets, which is fine. I mean, I was looking for a top end pre-racing helmet, so, but I just didn't want to spend, you know, $1,000, or at least not yet. Although maybe I should. I mean, how many visors have I bought so far, or purchased so far? Even this one that I had to return, I still had to buy a visor, even though I couldn't keep the helmet. So in any case, I bought a visor. So I might as well just buy a visor and then see if my Scorpion now has a pin lock ready, and then just throw in pin lock and see if it'll make it last longer. Because every year for a visor, I mean, everybody asks, they're like, they have no idea what's going on. It's probably my putrid breath or something that's just destroying it. Like, what else could it be? I don't put my gloves in my helmet. I don't put anything in my helmet. So it's the internal visor. The inside of the visor is what gets wrecked. I only clean it with like a microfiber cloth. Well, to start with, and then eventually, like at the end of the season, I resort to other means, only because I know it's already, you know, pwned, and I have to try and sanction? No. What's the word I'm looking for? Salvage. Trying to salvage. Come on. I'm leaving room in front of me so I can brake, not so you can cut me off. Just so you can get ahead. Some people don't know how to drive. Anyway, I got way too off topic for a short, quick video. That's all I want to talk to you about today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell. Thank you. Have a good day.